The annual Devil-Dog rivalry is always a hard-fought game. Although the final score might not reflect it, this was true of this year's game too. There was no score in the first half until Danville pushed the ball over East Knox goal line late in the second quarter. The kick was blocked and the half ended with Danville ahead 6-0. East Knox came back to score in the second half, but missed the extra point, tying the score at 6. But after that, it was all Danville as they scored 26 unanswered points and took the game 32-6.
I thought our kids played hard, but obviously, it didn't turn out in our favor tonight. Our kids never quit, never gave up, so Danville, played a good game. So.
It's a big rival game, and our kids really held together tonight, really played a tough ball game. I was very proud of them.
This is George Breithaupt reporting for MountVernonNews.com.
1, 2, 3, be hard.